Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, are a class of medications widely used to relieve pain, reduce inflammation, and lower fever. They are among the most commonly prescribed and over-the-counter medications worldwide. NSAIDs work by inhibiting the activity of cyclooxygenase enzymes, which are responsible for the production of prostaglandins, chemicals that mediate inflammation, pain, and fever. There are two main types of COX enzymes, COX-8, which helps protect the stomach lining and support kidney function, and COX-2, which is mainly involved in inflammation and pain. Most NSAIDs inhibit both COX-8 and COX-2, leading to both therapeutic effects and side effects. Selective COX-2 inhibitors aim to reduce inflammation while minimizing gastrointestinal side effects. Common NSAIDs include non-selective NSAIDs like aspirin, ibuprofen, naproxen, diclofenac, ketorolac, and indomethacin, as well as selective COX-2 inhibitors like celecoxib and etoricoxib. NSAIDs are widely used for pain relief, inflammation reduction, fever reduction, post-surgical and injury pain management, and cardiovascular protection with low-dose aspirin. Despite their effectiveness, NSAIDs have potential side effects, especially with long-term or high-dose use, including gastrointestinal effects like stomach pain and ulcers, cardiovascular risks such as increased risk of heart attack and stroke, kidney damage, liver toxicity, and allergic reactions. People who should avoid NSAIDs include those with stomach ulcers or GI bleeding, kidney or liver disease, high blood pressure or heart disease, individuals allergic to aspirin or NSAIDs, pregnant women, and those taking blood thinners. NSAIDs can interact with several medications, leading to potential risks including increased bleeding risk with blood thinners, higher risk of ulcers with corticosteroids, reduced kidney function with ACE inhibitors and diuretics, increased toxicity with methotrexate, and increased risk of GI bleeding with SSRIs. Short-term, occasional use of NSAIDs is generally safe for most people, while long-term use should be monitored by a doctor due to risks of ulcers, kidney damage, and heart issues. NSAIDs reduce pain, fever, and inflammation, while acetaminophen reduces pain and fever but has no anti-inflammatory effects. For chronic pain, NSAIDs may be more effective, while acetaminophen is safer for those with GI or heart issues. Alternative treatments for those who cannot take NSAIDs include acetaminophen, corticosteroids, physical therapy, lifestyle changes, and dietary modifications. NSAIDs are highly effective for pain and inflammation but should be used with caution, especially in individuals with stomach, heart, or kidney conditions. Short-term use is generally safe, but long-term use should be monitored by a healthcare provider. Would you like recommendations for a specific condition or alternative pain management strategies?